Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're coming across an error when browsing on Google Chrome that says that this setting is enforced by your administrator. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing is first, make sure you close out of any open instances of the Google Chrome web browser. And once you have ensured that, we're ready to begin, and we're going to start by left clicking on the start button. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator from the drop down list. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now I'm going to have 3 commands in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy each one at a time. So just copy the first one from my description. So just highlight over it, right click and copy, or use the Control-C shortcut on your keyboard, whatever method you prefer. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, left click on edit, and then left click on paste to paste in this first command. Hit enter on your keyboard. Once you have a blinking cursor, you're ready to go paste in the second command I'm going to have in the description of the video. I would suggest not trying to type this in, and I would suggest trying to paste it from my description. It will be in my description of the video. If you need to expand the description to see the full commands, that's fine. For some reason, people don't know how to expand the description of the video. When I say something's in the description, they just don't know how to expand it. But there is a button there to expand the description of the video, so I promise you it is there. And now do the next command here. So just edit and paste that in. Hit enter on your keyboard. And once that is done, it should say computer policy update has completed successfully, and user policy update has completed successfully as well. Now you want to do one further thing here, and that would be to close out of here. Open up the start menu, type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should come back a registry editor, so you might just have to give it a moment to load here. And you want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. Again, if you receive a user account control prompt window, select yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest that you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong you could easily restore it back. So in order to create the backup, just go ahead and left click on the file tab, select export. Export range, select all, so make sure that's the selected option here. File name, I would suggest naming it the date in which you're making the backup, so just name it the date that you're making the backup. Makes the most amount of sense to me. And then save it to a convenient location on your computer or external media source like a USB flash drive perhaps, and then just select save to save the location. And if you ever needed to import it back in, you just would select file and then import and then navigate to the file location. So pretty straightforward. Once we've done that, we're ready to begin, and we're going to expand the HK local machine folder. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Do the same thing now for the software folder, so double click on that. Should be a policies folder in here, double click on that. Should be a Google folder, expand that, and now it should be a Chrome folder. If you notice any values here on the right side, you just want to highlight over all of them and then right click and then select delete. You will select yes. So I just have a default value in here, that's why it's unable to delete it. But if you did, you would likely have multiple entries in here, so you would just go ahead and delete whatever would be applicable for you guys. The default value is default for any registry key in here, so that's why it's not going to delete it. If you had any weird registry strings listed in here, you want to delete them because you don't need them in here. And once you delete it, you should just restart your computer, and that should hopefully be able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.